Okay, so enter key. So enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. So it is also called return key. Okay, so enter key, it is also called what? Return key. Why it is called return key? Because when we press the enter button, we come back to a new line. Okay, so enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line, or you can say to the new line. Okay, so this was about your enter key. Once more I'm telling you, so what is the use of enter key? So enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. So suppose you have written I am a student, so you have to go to next line. So when you have to go to next line, you cannot say the computer please take me to the next line. So what you're doing, you're pressing the enter button. So when you press the enter button, so automatically you're coming to the next line. Again, if you write I live in Jaingaon, now sentence is over, you want to come to the next line. So what you are going to do, you'll say computer please take me next line. No, what you are going to do, you'll press the enter key. So when you press the enter key, you are going to, okay, you will go directly to the new line, and you can write a sentence. After completing a sentence, again you press the enter key, again you will come to the new line. Okay, so in this way enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line, and it is also called what is known as, so enter key is also known as your return key. That means it is, okay, returning back to a new line. So this was about your enter key. Now we are going to talk about now next special key, that is your cap lock key. Okay, so you see this is your cap lock key. Now what is the use of cap lock key, children? So to type capital letter, so what we do, we press cap lock key. Okay, now suppose in a computer you have to type something. Okay, so to type something, what you have to do, you have to press cap lock key. So it is also a key which is known as your special key. Okay, cap lock. So on the keyboard you can see there is a key called cap lock key is there. Okay, so this type of key is known as what? Your cap lock key. So this key is known as what? Cap lock key. So this cap lock key, what is its main function? Okay, cap lock key, its main function is to, okay, so when we'll press the cap lock key, we can write the letter in alphabet, like we can write in capital letter. Okay, so capital letter we can write. So to write capital letter on the monitor screen, so what we have to do, we have to press the cap lock key. So when we press the cap lock key, okay, when we press the cap lock key, so automatically when we press the alphabet key, so this is your keyboard. Okay, now on the keyboard you have alphabets. Okay, you have so many words are written there. Okay, so you see suppose Q W E R. So when you press the cap lock key and again you press the alphabet key, what will happen? The letters will come in a capital letter. Okay, W will also come in capital letter. E will also come in capital letter. R will also come in capital letter. Okay, so this all will come in a capital letter. So what is the use of cap lock key? So cap lock okay, cap lock key is used to type capital letter. So it is present on the left side of the keyboard. Now where you will find the cap lock key? Okay, it is located on the left side of the keyboard. So when you see the keyboard, okay, this is your right hand, this is your left hand, so you have to look on the left hand side. So when you will look on the left hand side, you will see there is a key called cap lock key is there. So that cap lock key, what is the use of it? It is used for, okay, it is used to type capital letters. Okay, so you see when you want to type a capital letter, you just press the cap lock key. So when you press the cap lock key on the keyboard, okay, so when you press the keyboard, a light will glow on the right corner of the keyboard. So on the right corner, okay, on the right corner of the keyboard, small light will glow. So when this light will glow, it means your cap lock is on. Okay, so when the light will glow, cap lock key is on. So at that time we can type letters, and those letters will come in a capital letter on the keyboard. Okay, those letters will come as a capital letter on the keyboard. Okay, again, if you don't want to write capital letters, just press again the cap lock key. The light will be off. Okay, when the light will be off, you can type the letters. It will come in a small letter. So when light will be off, you press, it will all the letters. Okay, everything will come in a small letter. Okay, U, W, E, R, all will come in a small letter. So when we want to type capital letters, so what we have to do, we have to press which button, we have to press which key, children? We have to press cap lock key. Okay, so this cap lock key will help you to write, okay, in capital letters. So what you have to do, so which key you have to press? You have to press cap lock key. So this will help you to type capital letters. So today what we have learned? Today we have learned about, yesterday only we have learned about space bar, today enter key and cap lock key. Okay, so next day we will learn again. Thank you.